Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome back. This is the ninth lesson for mensuration for O levels and IGCSE exams. In today's class, we are going to solve some more questions from past year exams. Let us start our today's lesson. Mensuration lesson number 9, past year topical part 2. In today's class, we are going to solve questions 5 questions from past year exams. Question number 1. A circle of diameter 6 centimeter is cut from a square of side 8 centimeter. We have to find an expression in terms of a minus b pi for the shaded area. So how we will calculate the shaded area over here? It will be area of square minus area of this circle. What is side of the square? It is 8. And what is radius of this circle? This is 3. So shaded area will be area of a square minus area of the circle. This will be 64 minus 9 pi. Very simple question. Next question, question number 2. ABCD is a rectangle with this AC side, which is basically diagonal. Square root 65, AD is 4, and we have to find the area of this rectangle. Area of the rectangle is basically length into width. So first of all, we will calculate width. By Pythagoras theorem, 4 square plus DC square is equal to 65 square root square, or 16 plus DC square is equal to 65. From here, DC square will be equal to 49 and DC will be 7. So width is 7. So its area will be length into width, 28 centimeter square. Again, a simple question. Now we move to the question number 3. Diagram shows a major segment. This is the major segment of the circle with center O and a radius 15, and this central angle is 60. In the first part, we have to find the area of this major segment. Area of this major segment will be equal to area of this sector plus area of this triangle. Okay. What is area is equal to area of the sector minus area of triangle. What will be area of sector? This will be 300 over 360. This angle is 300 into pi r square minus area of triangle is, I am using sine law, 1 by 2, 15 into 15 into sine 60. We will use calculator, and with the help of calculator we will find this is 580.125 minus 97.428. In the simplified form it will be 687, sorry, it will be plus 687 centimeter square. This is the part 1 of question number 3. In part 2, we have to find the perimeter of this major segment, AB plus arc length AB. So first of all, AB side will be equal to, I am using cosine law, 15 square plus 15 square minus 2 into 15 into 15 into cos 60 and its square root. This will be 15. And arc length AB will be equal to 300 over 360 into 2 pi r. And In simplified form, this arc length will be equal to 78.55 and hence perimeter will be 93.6 approximately, 93.55 approximately equal to 93.6 centimeter. I hope this is clear. In next question, in next part, in third part, shape 1 is formed by joining this segment to a trapezium ABCD along AB. AB is parallel to DC. This AB is parallel to DC. DC is 25. AB we calculated in part 1. AB is basically 15. And what else? The area of this height we need to find, the distance between these two parallel sides, and area is 248 centimeter square. We have to find h. So what is formula for area of trapezium? This is 1 over 2 into height into B1 plus B2, lengths of two parallel sides. This area is given 248. Height we need to find, and length of two parallel sides are 15 and 25. From here I will get height is equal to 2 times 48, 248 over 40. And this height will be 12.4 centimeter. Now we move to next part of this question. This shape 2 is geometrically similar to shape 1. And the longest side of the trapezium in shape 2 is 5. It was 25 over here. We have to find the radius r in shape 2. Okay. Radius in shape 1 over radius in shape 2 is equal to 25 over 5 or 5. So what was radius in shape 1? Radius in shape 1 was 15 over radius in shape 2 is equal to 5. So radius will be, from here radius will be 3. In part 2 we have to find the total area of shape 2. Using the concept of similarity, area of shape 2 over area of shape 1 is equal to 5 over 25 whole square. Now, area in shape 1, this is shape 1. It is area of the segment plus area of this trapezium. Area of trapezium is 248 and area of the segment we calculated in part 2, part 1. Area of the major segment is 687 and area of trapezium is 248. So this will give us area in shape 2, which we have to find, is equal to, this will be simplified 1 by 25 multiplied by area of shape 1, 687 plus point something plus 248, and when we will simplify this, we will get the area in shape, area of shape 2 is equal to 932.4 centimeter square. In the last two part of this question, we use the concept of similar shapes. Question number 4. The diagram shows L-shaped piece of card. This length is 3, this is 4, this is 8, this whole length is 9. The measurements are in centimeter and all angles are right angle. we have to calculate the perimeter of this card. For perimeter, what is this length? 9. What is this length? 3. So this length will be 6. 6 plus 3, 9. This length is 8. This length is 4. This length will also be 4. 4 plus 4, it will be 8. So perimeter of the shape will be given by 8 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4 plus 9. I hope this is clear. Or this can even be tackled by like this. This is 6, this 6 is over here, this 4 is over here. So this is a rectangle of length 9 and width 8, and its area will be 9 plus 8, 17 into 2. It can also be calculated like this. In the second shape, in the second part, square pieces each of side 2 centimeter are cut from this card. Find the greatest number of square that can be obtained. Side 2. Okay. What is this side? This side is 6. This side is 4. For side 2, I will draw a line over here. This length is 2. Next line cannot be drawn. And similarly for 2, I will draw a line over here and a line over here. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2 into 2, 9 and 10. We can draw 10 such squares, and this will be our wastage. So answer to this question is 10. Now we move to third part of this question. This is basically the next question. In next question, question number 5, AB, BC are arcs of circle with center O. A is point on OB. A is point on OB. This length is 20. This is 25. This central angle is 150. D is point on OC. We have to find the perimeter of the shaded shape. This is 25. This is also 25. This is the arc length BC. This is the arc length AD. Central angle is 50. For arc length BC, radius is 45. For arc length AB, radius is 20. So, first of all, I will calculate arc length BC. This will be 150 over 360 into 2 pi r. R is 45. Similarly, arc length AD, this will be 150 over 360 into 2 pi r. R is 20. So, perimeter of the shaded shape will be 20, 25 plus arc length AB plus arc length BC plus DC distance, which is again 25, and with the help of calculator you can simplify that this arc length will be equal to 2130 centimeter, 220 centimeter. I hope this is clear. Next we have to find the shaded area. Shaded area is basically area of the large sector minus area of the small sector. Shaded area will be equal to area of the large sector 150 over 360 into pi r square. minus 150 over 360 into pi r square. This will be 150 over 360 into pi. Excuse me. This will be 2130 centimeter square approximately. The last part of today's class, this ABCD is, this shape is used by joining A to B, A to D and B to C. We form this lampshade. A and D are joined and B and C are joined. So we have to find the radius of circular top of the lamp sphere. This basically, this circumference is equal to arc length AD. Circumference 2 pi r is equal to arc length AD over here, which was 150 over 360 into 2 pi r. Upon simplification, we will get r is equal to 150 over 360 into 20. And this r will be 8.33 centimeter. So dear student, this was all for today's class. In today's lesson, we solved few past year exam questions for mensuration. In next session, we will further solve some past year exam question. Please do subscribe and share this channel with your friends. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.